This is my over 1 year Galaxy Tab A 2019 personal review and feedback. Please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Station. It's great to see you all. Today I'm sharing to you all this Galaxy Tab A 2019 version that I have over a year. Since I've never done a review of this product, I might as well do a little unboxing and share my personal feedback of what I think about this tablet since I had it over a year. So in this video, I will share a little bit of everything but not too in-depth. So I'll do a little what comes in the box and also show you the item itself, the build quality, and also the user experience. And also will include some videos and photos that was shot by this tablet. And also I will give you my personal feedback of the pros and cons of this item as well. By the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description of this tablet. If you are interested, curious, or would like to learn more, please feel free to check them out. So this is how the box looks like for the tablet. And this particular version, I got the 128 gigabytes of storage, and this one has 3 gigabytes of internal RAM. After over a year, I still can't believe I still have the box. So anyways, might as well do an unboxing. The wrapper that wraps the tablet, and this is the tablet. As you see, it's kind of scratched up a little bit. A wall charger, a USB Type-C plug, and this box contains a brief manual and a pin to eject the micro SD card. Well, that's taken care of. Let's go straight to the tablet. So here you go, this is the tablet. It has a 10.1 inch screen. So at first glance, what I like about this tablet is the build quality. It has a aluminum back. It feels really premium, really nice, well built, sturdy. It doesn't squeaks. Really solid tablet. On the back, it has an 8 megapixel camera. And on the side, there's a power button, a volume rocker, and a slot for a micro SD card. The micro SD card can go up to 2 terabytes, but as of current recording, the micro SD card that you can buy on the market right now is only up to 1 terabyte. So this tablet is actually future-proof for expandable storage. So this tablet has a total of 2 speakers, and it's facing on the bottom of the tablet, and they'll also have a USB Type-C jack, and they also have a headphone jack if that's something that you prefer. By the way, can you do me a favor? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does support the channel big time. So a cool feature about the tablet, you can double tap to wake it up. So last year when I first got this tablet, it was running Android 9.0 out of the box. And this year I got an update from Samsung to upgrade it to Android 10.0 and also One UI 2.1. So the tablet screen size is 10.1 inch and the resolution is 1920 by 1200. So the screen quality of this tablet is actually really good for watching movies or light browsing the web. So for the 32 gig model, it has 2 gigs of RAM, and 64 and 128 gigs model has 3 gigs of RAM. Even though it has 3 gigs of RAM, out of the box, Samsung will only give you around 50% of free RAM usage. So this one, out of the box, has around 1.5 gigs of RAM. So even though it has 1.5 gigs of RAM, doing multitasking and stuff like that, it's actually okay. You know, it's not like the most snappiest, most smooth tablet out there, but for the price that you are getting, it's actually not bad. It's really usable. So let me give you a little demonstration of a scenario of how this multitask will look like on this tablet. So this tablet has multitask feature. Like for example, I can open up to 6 apps at once and use them simultaneously. So if you really want to maximize this tablet, you can really get a lot of multitasking done on this tablet. I can open up to 6 windows of apps. Like for example, I can open the Samsung Notes, I can open YouTube, I can open a web browser, I can open a calculator, I can open Google Maps, and it's really true multitasking, as you can see right here. I'm playing a video, I'm looking at the stock market, I'm doing calculator and Google Maps right here. And also, I'm taking notes, I can use my hand to take notes, or I can use a capacitive pen to take notes. As you can see, it's really sensitive, using a capacitive pen to write. It's not as precise as an S Pen or Apple Pencil, but for general use, it really does get the job done for using a really affordable capacitive pen. By the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description of this capacitive pen. If you're interested, curious, or would like to learn more, feel free to check them out as well. With the capacitive pen, handwriting notes is actually really sensitive, as you can see. So I actually got this tablet for my kid to use, and during the whole pandemic, we used this tablet for school, like Zoom or to do his homework, and everything runs really fine and great for this little small package right here. I also downloaded Geekbench for those that want to see the performance of this tablet. I ran the scores, and a single core is 239 and multi-core score is 603. So if you compare this to top of the line device out there right now, the numbers does have a really big difference. But for in general use, this tablet really does get the job done. And I also try to play some heavy 3D graphic video games, and it runs pretty good. Actually, for this entry level tablet, I'm really surprised of the performance outcome of this tablet. For example, I downloaded Asphalt 9. Running the game and the gameplay is really nice and smooth. I'm able to steer, and it doesn't really lag, and the graphics are really nice and sharp. The screen is nice. The color reproduction is great. And I also installed it Call of Duty, and everything runs great. I noticed both games, the graphic settings are set in medium. So for casual gameplay, for the price point of this tablet, it really does get the job done. Took a few photos and videos of the built-in camera of this tablet. While recording video with the tablet, I noticed the autofocus keeps on hunting and focusing, which kind of makes the video a little bit jerky, as you can see on this video right here. It keeps hunting and hunting. I try to shoot another different angle as well. I try to handheld very steady as possible, but as you can see, the video does have a really noticeable shaking while recording. And also for the front-facing camera, I also took a little clip of how the quality is, and also microphone recording to let you hear the quality of the sound quality of the tablet. This is a quick sample of the front-facing camera and also the microphone testing of this tablet. Please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the front-facing camera and also the microphone. And also, please stay tuned for the pros and cons conclusion of this tablet. If you like the video, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. Now it's time for the pros and cons conclusion for this item. Let's go with the pros first. So the first pros of this tablet, it's great overall tablet for the price and get the job done. And the second pros of this tablet, it really has great battery life. I can watch a few movies and play a few hours of video games and still have a lot of battery life left. So the battery life of this tablet is really nice and great. And another pros of this tablet, it's powerful enough to run great 3D games and educational applications. And another pros of this tablet, it has expandable storage micro SD up to 2 terabytes. And another pros of this tablet, it has great screen to watch videos. And another pros of this tablet, it has a headphone jack, and also it can do Bluetooth, so why not have both since you're not paying extra. And another pros of this tablet, it really has a nice premium build quality. And the final pros of this tablet, Samsung will actually update this tablet to Android 10.0 and Samsung UI 2.1. Now it's time for the cons of this tablet. So the first cons of this tablet, the 32 gigs version only has 2 gigs of RAM. The 64 and 128 gigs version has 3 gigs of RAM. So the final cons of this tablet, the speaker is a bit weaker and dual bottom speaker, but usable if you turn on Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos will actually boost up the speaker volume a little bit, so make it a little bit more usable. So when you get this tablet, remember to turn on Dolby's Atmos. So there you have it. This is my over 1 year of personal feedback of this tablet. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I greatly very appreciate. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. This is my Galaxy 2...
Duh.
This is my Galaxy Tab A 2019.
Dude, crap!
This is my over 1 year Galaxy...
Oh, come on.